Hey, how to trade Red Avalanche Bar? This candle right here, this candle with long, weak rejection. This candle right here, it is Red Avalanche Bar because when this candle appears, it has 90% the possibility that the price goes down. And today, it wasn't the exception. The price dropped down. I got it with this candle, master love above the resistance level in case if the price goes against me. I got master love. When the price goes down, right here in this small consolidation, I take my profit because from here I don't know what the price it was going to do. So right here with 100% in profit is when you got your profit, always take profit because the the price can go up and you're gonna lose all your profit. And this candle right here is very lucrative. Try to write it down this candle because in the future, probably next week or in this week, it's gonna appear again. You're gonna take advantage of this pattern.